Hey guys, welcome aboard the channel. I'm Don. This is Rockin' the Country. I'm doing a gift request, and Sherrie Austin has a special place in my heart because hers was one of the first 4 CDs, country CDs, that I ever bought. And it was just her song One Solitary Tear prompted me to buy that CD, and then the other songs on it were amazing. Well, Jason Halverson made a gift to the channel for me to do Little Bird. I don't know this song, but Jason, shout out to you. Thank you for this gift, my friend. Let's find out what she's got. And Sherrie was so pretty. Of course, I'm a sucker for a pretty girl. So anyway, there's her picture. Go up tempo.
A bird in a cage can't use its wings. One day she might refuse to sing. You'll find some feathers on the floor.
Nice.
And an open door. Ooh, what you gonna do when your little bird flies away? Hey, hey, ooh, what you gonna say? What you gonna do when your little bird flies away?
This is brilliant.
A bird in a cage is on display. People, they poke and stare all day. If she can get those bars to bend, she won't be back again. Ooh, what you gonna do when your little bird flies away? Hey, hey, ooh.
She has the perfect voice for this song. She is not that far removed from a little bird. In this song, like, the feel you get when you think of a bird chirping, because her voice is so unique and sort of, it's got like there's a highness to it, but anyway, she's perfect. But I love the metaphor being used here.
Ooh, what you gonna say? What you gonna do when your little bird flies away? Free to touch the sky. She never dreamed she'd ever fly so high.
Happy to be gone.
Free to touch the sky. She never dreamed she'd ever fly so high. Ooh, what you gonna do when your little bird flies away? Hey, hey, ooh, what you gonna say? What you gonna do when your little bird flies away?
All right, so I always wonder in the songwriting process, what was the inspiration for it? All right, there are different ways of coming up with ideas, and one of which is from actual life. Like, let's say somebody's nickname was Little Bird. You're my little bird. You know how we have pet names? Well, that'd be a literal pet name, but a nickname for one another and in our relationships. And maybe Little Bird maybe that was her nickname, and she decided she's leaving the relationship, or she's about to leave the relationship if he doesn't change. I don't know what's going on in this relationship. We never found out. But of course, because the story is being told from her side, our natural inclination is to take her side in it, like to feel for her and assume the dude is doing wrong. Or he's insensitive or uncaring, or he's not paying attention, or whatever he's doing. So it's sort of like when you watch The Sopranos or a mafia movie, like, because the story's being told or shown from like Tony Soprano's story side of things, you find yourself siding with somebody who's a murderer, and you're like, how is that possible? human nature. It's, I don't know, the Stockholm effect too, but it kind of plays into it. So I don't know what she did, maybe nothing, but it's still, she's got this angelic, chirpy bird, sweet, light, lovely type of voice, and you just assume she's an angel, and maybe she is, and he screwed up. But in this relationship, it's true, like, you know it's going to hurt the other person when you leave. You know, if you're paying any kind of attention, you just know it's going to hurt. But Sherrie's voice is so perfect, Jason, in this song. I mean, I wonder, yeah, I don't look up who wrote the song. Sometimes you guys provide that information, but it's one of these things where I doubt Sherrie wrote it, but whoever wrote it, if they weren't like in the band or closely associated with her, they might have thought this would be perfect for her to sing because of her voice. So, all right, that's just fun. And then, I mean, and then the other way, just coming up with that metaphor or analogizing her to a little bird, just saying, what are you going to do when I fly away? People are poking me all day in this cage, but those bars, if they bend or that door opens, and then it was more than an illusion. It was that I'm flying high. And then the instrumentation was still up tempo and the guitar picked up and it was like she's flying even higher and higher. So that was a lot of fun. Yeah. All right. So I'll rate this song. All right. The number that popped into my head was a straight 9.0. So that's what we're going with. That goes in the playlist of 9 and above on this chart. I love that metaphor. Not just your bird or your caged bird, but your little bird. It's like, oh, that would hurt. That's like I don't know, it just seems so innocent. Seems so innocent. And when that goes, you feel like a jerk. You feel terrible. So, I don't know. Hopefully he straightened his act out before she flew the coop. It doesn't sound like that happened, though. So, Jason, thank you for that, my friend. I had not heard that before. So, that wasn't on the CD that I had. So, all right, guys, you can thank Jason for that one. Have a great day. I'll see you on another video. Keep rocking the country.